Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today is a very exciting day because Max and I are going on a special adventure.
That's right, Lily. We are going on a camping trip in the big green forest. I am so excited to sleep under the stars.
Me too, Max. But first, we need to check our bags. Camping requires many important things. Do you have the tent?
Yes, I have the tent right here. It is a big blue tent for 2 people.
Great. And I have the sleeping bags. They are very warm and soft. It gets very cold at night in the forest.
Do we have a flashlight? It is very dark in the woods when the sun goes down.
Yes, I have 2 flashlights and extra batteries. And I have a map of the forest so we don't get lost.
Good thinking, Lily. I also packed a small stove and a pot. We need to cook our dinner.
What are we eating for dinner, Max? I am already a little bit hungry.
I have sausages, bread, and some delicious marshmallows for the fire.
Perfect. Let's put everything in the car and go. The forest is 2 hours away.
Look at the trees, Lily. They are so tall and green. The air smells so fresh here.
It is beautiful. Listen, can you hear the birds singing?
Yes, and I can hear the water. There is a small river near our campsite.
Let's stop here. This is a perfect place for our tent. The ground is flat and there is a lot of space.
Okay, help me with the tent, Lily. First, we put the poles together.
Like this, it looks like a giant skeleton.
Exactly. Now we put the blue cloth over the poles. 1, 2, 3, pull.
Great job. The tent is ready. It looks like a little house.
Now we need to find some wood. We need a campfire to stay warm and to cook our food.
I will look for small branches and dry leaves. You look for big pieces of wood.
Okay. Remember, don't go too far. Stay where I can see your red hat.
Look, Max. I found many dry sticks under this old oak tree.
Good. I found some big logs near the river. Now, let's build the fire.
Be careful with the matches, Max. Fire is beautiful, but it is also dangerous.
Don't worry, I am being very careful. Look, the fire is starting. The smoke is going up to the sky.
It feels so warm. Now I am really hungry. Let's cook the sausages.
Here are the sticks. Put the sausage on the end of the stick and hold it over the fire.
Mine is turning brown. It smells amazing.
Mine is a little bit black, but I like it that way.
This is the best dinner ever. Eating outside makes everything taste better.
I agree. Now for the best part, the marshmallows.
You must be patient with marshmallows, Max. Don't put them inside the fire, just near the heat.
Look, mine is melting. It is white and sticky and sweet.
Mmm, delicious. Now the sun is going down. The sky is turning orange and purple.
And look at the moon. It is so bright tonight. I can see thousands of stars.
I see the Big Dipper. It looks like a big spoon in the sky.
I see a shooting star. Make a wish, Lily.
I wished for another camping trip next year.
That is a good wish. It is getting very quiet now. Only the sound of the crickets.
It is a peaceful sound. I feel very relaxed.
Let's turn on our flashlights and go inside the tent.
It is cozy in here. The sleeping bags are very warm.
I am very tired. Walking and building a tent is hard work.
Good night, Max. Sleep well.
Good night, Lily. See you in the morning.
Max, are you awake?
Yes, Lily. What is it?
I heard a sound outside. Scritch, scratch,
It is probably just a small rabbit or a squirrel looking for food.
or maybe a bear?
There are no big bears here, Lily. Go back to sleep. You are safe in the tent.
Okay, you are right. Good night again.
Good morning, Lily. Wake up. The sun is shining.
Good morning, Max. What time is it?
It is 7 a.m. The forest is beautiful in the morning. There is mist over the river.
I feel great. I slept very well in my sleeping bag.
Let's make some breakfast. I have eggs and some oranges.
Breakfast by the river sounds perfect.
After breakfast, we should go for a hike. I want to climb that small hill over there.
Yes, let's do it. We can take photos from the top of the hill.
I am so happy we came camping. No computers, no phones, just nature.
It is good for the soul, Max. Everyone needs a break from the city.
Friends, do you like camping? Or do you prefer staying in a hotel?
What do you take with you when you go to the forest?
Tell us your stories in the comments. We love to read about your adventures.
If you enjoyed our camping conversation, please like the video.
And subscribe for more stories with Lily and Max.
Practicing English with stories is the best way to learn new words.
Like tent, campfire, flashlight, and forest.
Thank you for watching and listening to us today.
Have a great day and a great adventure.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.